Aloha judges, this is STEM Research Team 4270B, the Crusaders, from St. Louis School located in Honolulu, Hawaii. This is our third year as a middle school robotics team, and our vision is to use robotics to help our community.
This year we want to find out how we can reduce trash in our school using the scientific process and robotics. We want to find a way to collect data in Keelhole Plaza to find optimal locations to encourage students to throw away trash.
In order to collect the data, we built a trash can lid mount using VexIQ parts. We mounted two bumper sensors so that when both bump sensors are pushed, the program records how many times people use the trash can. Then, our program displays on the LCD screen the number of times people threw away trash in that specific trash can.
Our initial hypothesis is that if we put the trash cans near the LTC stairs and by the vending machine, it will reduce the trash left behind because it's closer to where the students eat. This allows for easier access, and hopefully, it will encourage more students to throw more trash away. We did one controlled experiment using the trash cans at original locations. The original location is by the front of the tent and by the fountain.
We collected data from the two original locations for 3 days. From this controlled experiment, we found out that the average frequency of the tent trash can being used is 30 times, and the fountain trash can was 28 times. The average trash left behind in Keelhole Plaza was 9 pieces of trash.
Our manipulated variable for this experiment is trash can locations. We wanted to find the optimal location for the two trash cans that would encourage the students to throw more trash away.
In our first experiment, we put two trash cans at Mamiya Steps and vending machine and tested it for 3 days.
The vending machine trash can was used on average 34 times, and the Mamiya Steps trash can was used 11 times. On average, 16 pieces of trash was left behind. In our second experiment, we put the two trash cans at Noah Hall Fence and LTC Stairs and tested it for 3 days. The Noah Hall Fence trash can was used on average 17 times, and the LTC Stairs trash can was used 16 times. On average, 13 pieces of trash was left behind.
Mamiya Steps and New Hall Fence give us the least amount of trash can use frequency and not the most ideal place to put the trash cans. We think this is because it's the farthest from where the students eat snacks.
Vending machine and plaza tent were the overall best locations because it gave us the highest frequency of use throughout our experiments.
Therefore, we wanted to retest these two locations and make sure the vending machine and the plaza tent were optimal locations.
We ended up with the vending machine trash can on average being used 24 times and the plaza tent trash can being used 21 times over 3 days of testing. On average, 3 pieces of trash was left behind.
In conclusion, we found the best optimal locations were the vending machine and plaza tent. This is because our data shows that these locations have the highest frequency of it being used and significantly less amount of trash left behind.
This is just the start of our campus cleanup effort that we will continue while working with robotic technologies. We want to take care of our St. Louis School campus now and in the future. With this information, we know that we found better locations for the trash cans. We would like to continue this experiment in different areas around our campus.
This has been the STEM Research Team 4270B with our project, the Trash Relocation Project. We hope you enjoyed our presentation.
Aloha!